So, good morning guys! Today, gagawa tayo ng trifle. So, ito yung ating unahin guys. We have 600 ml. Bali, dalawang baton. Vanilla extract organic. Yun. Maglagay din tayo guys na I usually put a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar. So, ginagamit ko guys, sugar, 1/4 cup of Yun. Yun na siya. Yun ang ating cream. Okay? So after finishing beating our cream, so put in the fridge, and then we have our one jam roll that I bought in the store. You can make your own jam roll guys, no worries. So but me, I don't have time to make my rolls, so I just bought in the store. Okay, and now I slice my jam roll, slice and slice. Okay, first thing first guys, we have our bowl. We are going to put the jam roll and at the bottom of the bowl, and then arrange it properly, and then put a little bit of pineapple juice, and just not much, a little bit, and then put some of your fruits, and i-follow nyo lang yung ginagawa ko guys, and then it's up to you to make your trifle festive, because it's a matter of festivity. It's not like properly arranged or whatsoever. It's up to you guys what you decide in your trifle. Just sprinkle a little bit of pineapple juice, not too much but a little bit, then put your fruits, and it should, as I said a while ago, you can decide your trifle anything or any design you want to make it look festive. So it's all up to you guys. You can put the fruits that you decide to put in, and yeah, as long as you can eat it. So yep, I wanted my trifle to be look festive, and yes, I tried my best to, of course, arrange all my jellies, fruits. I put around 10 to 12 pieces of pineapple chunks, and then put the jam roll at the top, then put the custard. Okay, after putting all the jam rolls guys at the top, you are going to put custards, then put the fruits, then fruits, custards, then arrange your toppings. Okay, now it's about time to put in our whipping cream at the middle of the top, because we still have whipping cream in the piping bag that we can decorate to our toppings. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet to this home, please do subscribe. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bell guys para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. Please share, subscribe, like, and comment. And I swear I will try my best to give you the best of my recipes. So please continue to watch and learn. Okay? It's up to you guys to make your trifle festive, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time to put our frosting, so our whipping cream, at the top. So please continue to watch so you will learn, okay? So it's about time to put in our whipping cream. By the way guys, after I put in the whipping cream, I sprinkle icing candies at the top of the frosting. Okay? So you can put this one to the fridge 2 to 3 hours before serving, or you can serve this guys as soon as possible. Okay? So this is our trifle. I hope you can make this one guys in your own kitchen. We'll just put this one on the fridge guys, and I will show you the final product later. Festive trifle, yummy, yummy can. So this is Taste Home guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet to Taste Home, please do subscribe. So thank you for watching everyone, and I hope you can make trifle in your own